Every time you wash your clothes, your hoodie might be shedding plastic. Not chunks you can see, but tiny fibers from polyester, nylon, or acrylic. They break off in the wash, flow into wastewater, and many slip through treatment plants into rivers and oceans. Now here's the weird part. Sharks already solved the mechanical version of this problem. Not the plastic part, the clogging part. Long, flexible fibers are a nightmare for filters. They tangle, mat up, and block flow. That's why many washing machine filters clog fast and need constant cleaning. But sharks and other filter-feeding fish move water past their gills without clogging. So how do they pull that off? Instead of forcing water straight into a mesh, their gill structure creates cross-flow filtration. That sounds fancy, but it's simple. The water flows along the filter surface, not straight into it. Imagine leaves in a gutter. If water smacks into a barrier head-on, leaves pile up and clog it. But if water flows sideways along the surface, leaves slide and get carried away instead of sticking. That's the trick. Water hits the filter at an angle, so fibers tend to roll and slide rather than jam into the mesh. The researchers copied this idea by building a cone-shaped, fish-inspired filter. The geometry makes the flow skim the surface, guiding fibers away from instant clog mode. Then they added a self-cleaning step. The system periodically redirects the flow and flushes collected fibers into a small, concentrate stream, instead of letting them cake the filter. In lab tests, this design removed up to 99.6% of microplastic fibers while resisting clogging. No magic materials, no glowing nanotech, just geometry doing the heavy lifting. This is what good biomimicry looks like. It doesn't copy how something looks, it copies how something works. And instead of trying to clean microplastics after they spread everywhere, this tackles a major entry point: washing machines. So here's the question. What other everyday problems have already been solved by nature, and we just haven't noticed yet?